So is it possible for you to overspend on home improvements? And the answer is yes, absolutely. And there's two big factors you need to look at. You need to look at the average price per square foot and the average price of your neighborhood. So typically in a neighborhood, you have the average home type, so 4-bed, 2-bath, 1,800 square feet, which you need to determine for your neighborhood. You have homes that are priced under that and homes that are much bigger. So what you want to do is identify what kind of home you have compared to the neighborhood. The homes on the bottom side, they get the best appraisal. So what's happening is that the average home is bringing up the average price for a smaller home, whereas it does the opposite for the homes that are more expensive. So a bigger home with more lots and stuff, comparatively of course, this is just a general rule of thumb, will depreciate in that. So you want to really be conscious before you pour in a lot of money into home improvements to know, one, what are you going to be able to get at the end of the day? So always monitor that price per square foot and the average price so you don't bite off more than you can chew. So if you like these videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. See what's going on, ask me a question. All right, until next time, Olympia Heights.